Alright, the UPS guy just arrived and dropped off my Mauser order, which includes capacitors for this power supply and also a couple for the GE800C, which I'll toss over there. Got the soldering iron all nice and warm, my desoldering tools, and the solder. So I'm going to start taking these big caps off and replacing them, and the ones that are obviously bad first, these two and these two, which have, the tops are popped off. I found out a little about Chinois, or Samwa capacitors. They were Samsung, but then got taken over by someone. They have a lot of issues with reliability of capacitors. It's a known issue. I might even dissect one of these capacitors in a video to see if there are any shenanigans going on with the manufacturing that I have seen. And this is a suggestion, and I was going to follow it anyway, is on this big heat sink. Once I get everything done here and I know it works, I'll take this top heat sink off, clean everything out, and then put new thermal paste on, new heat sink grease, and so that it's all nice and new there. And so I'm going to start removing caps. Okay, I finished putting in the new capacitors. Here, and here. Here's the old ones, the old Samwa. All the new ones are Panasonic, and they're all from the ED series, which are meant to be used with inverters and these types of power supplies. And although these caps are physically smaller than the originals, because they're these snap-in type caps, they have the same lead spacing and length, so they just snap into place. Now I'm going to go trudge outside and try to reinstall this board and see what happens when I reinstall it on the TV. Okay, here we go again. I managed to get the board in. Kind of hard to see there. Get it in, get it connected. Leaving the cover off. Have the DVD player here running. Have the TV on a power strip, so let's see. Okay. Have no idea. Still nothing. Okay. More hissing and popping from inside here in this area. Okay. Back to the drawing board.